Hello everyone, my name is Sophy Henn and I have written and illustrated Lifesize Creepy Crawlies for World Book Day 2023. And I have been asked to tell you what my favourite type of book is, which is an almost impossible question to answer because I love all kinds of books. But today I have decided my favourite type of book is a graphic novel. There we go, and these are some of my absolute faves there, some great graphic novels there. I work with pictures and words, so I love seeing how other people do it as well, because I truly believe that when you put the right picture with the right words, magic can happen. And when I'm looking for new books, new graphic novels to read, I like to browse my local library and local bookshops, but I also like to ask the librarian or the bookseller for recommendations. Often, if you tell them a book you've already read and enjoyed, they can recommend another one that you'll enjoy. They know their stuff. And then when I've got that book in my hand, I like to peek into the middle, maybe read a couple of pages, because I think if I enjoy those, that's probably a good indication I'm going to enjoy the rest of the book. Bye!